Here's a little mechanic hack. How many of you have impact sockets? They're a little tough to read what they are. So what you need to do is get yourself a paint pen. Apply this very liberally to all the little grooves. Then you got to let it sit and dry. Apply a second coat when it's dry. When it's done, it should look like that. Now get yourself some paper towel. Little tiny spray of carb cleaner. And an impact. Wrap it around. Squeeze very gently. And when you are done, it will look like that. Very easy to read.